Hey guys, conditioning workout for the day. AMRAP 5, 10 front squats and 5 reverse burpees. This is only 5 minutes of work, so we're looking for hard work and a lot of it in only 5 minutes. As many rounds as you can do of 10 front squats and 5 reverse burpees. Choose the load for the front squat, and that bar is going to start from the ground, so you're going to have to clean it. You could squat clean for your first rep if you want, or you could power clean it and then begin your 10 front squats. Let's talk about the movements. For the front squat, once the bar is in the front rack position, we want to keep your elbows up, pointed straight ahead in a really strong front rack position. That bar should be right up against your throat. We want to try and keep your chest upright as you squat. So send the hips back and begin to squat. Think about driving your knees outward, away from each other. Get your hip crease below the top of your knee so we're below parallel. And then stand it all the way up. If you lean forward on this movement, it's going to become exponentially heavier. So try and keep your chest upright. So a wide stance, a good squat stance, is going to allow you to get your hips down in between your ankles. Driving your knees out is going to give you room to get into the bottom of that squat and still keep your chest as upright as possible. Ideally, we want to keep the barbell directly above the middle of your foot, not over top of your toes, but right over the arch of your foot. So keep your chest up in order to accomplish that. For the reverse burpee, you can begin standing, lower yourself down to your butt, roll back onto your back, try to get your feet way back behind your head, roll forward really hard so that you can kick up onto your feet, and then stand up, and from there we're going to kick into a handstand, a freestanding handstand, or if you need to, you can kick up against the wall. That's our reverse burpee. If you need to scale this, just scale it to a standard burpee. Standard burpee, we're going to kick back with 2 feet, kick forward with 2 feet, and jump and clap our hands over our head while our feet are off the ground. If you need to scale it further, you can step back and step forward and jump and clap, or you could even elevate yourself to a target, such as a box or a bench or a chair, the side of a couch. Kick your feet back, do your push-up, kick your feet forward, jump and clap, or even step up and clap. All right, guys, 5-minute AMRAP. Let's see how many rounds you can do in that time. 10 front squats, 5 reverse burpees. Get after it.